Hi, this is Maria. Let's make an overlay using Procreate. So in Noteshelf, I've already taken my eraser and cleared the page. Now I'm going to up arrow, current page, choose format, make sure it's PNG, and share now. I'm going to save that into my camera roll, or I could go direct into Procreate, but in this case I went into camera roll. Now I'm going to switch over, open Procreate, plus sign, screen size just to give a nice big canvas. And now I'm going to use my wrench tool and insert my photo. Add, insert photo, find it, it'll be the last one I just added. And now I'm just going to use my arrow tool and make it fit my screen. I don't want to distort anything. So now this way I can work inside the confines of my journal. I'm going to add a layer. And I'm going to bring up my images on the side. I like to work side by side, but you can do it through the wrench tool if you want. I'm going to grab over my image from my photo roll. I just drag it over. And now I'm going to use that text tool at the top and go into freeform and just size it to fit inside just that white part of my journal. This is why I brought the image over here into Procreate, so I can see what I'm doing and work right inside. I'm going to move this image over up to the top so I can see the bottom edge. And now I've sized it properly to fit inside my particular journal. I'm going to click my layers and click the N tool and lower the opacity just so I can see my planner behind it. And then I'll just close the layers to make sure I'm happy with the result. I like that. Now back to my layers. I'm going to turn off the journal layer, turn off the background layer. Now you go back into the wrench tool, share, and select PNG, and I'm saving that into my camera roll. Save image. Now I can go back into Noteshelf and everything will line up properly. Now I can use the plus tool at the top, photo, and it'll be the last image I just saved. Or I can work side by side, either way works. Now I'm going to click edit and just take away some of this gray stuff at the edges. And when I size it this way, I make sure, yes, that it fits exactly over the dimensions of my particular journal. That's it. Thanks for watching.